Hi, my amazing planner friends. It's Jasper, my magical planner, and today I have my Sadie Stickers monthly subscription. This is the subscription for the month of July. It does mail out in August, so if you just received your kit or haven't opened it yet and want to keep your surprise, I will be showing everything in this kit, so feel free to click off, do whatever you need to do. But I'm super excited to see what this month's kit is. Actually, I don't think I've looked at the artwork, so let's take a peek at her webpage and look at what this month's artwork was. So if you go in here, I don't know how well you guys can see this, but so we have all the different months and we can go down to July, and this is kind of the view we have. We have these beautiful kind of fall flowers. We have what looks like an apple basket. She gives you a palette here and some artwork that she's probably using, as well as a quote. And it gives you a really good idea of what the kit's going to look like. I'm super excited about this one. Kind of gives me Snow White vibes, and I'm there for it completely. If you already know all the info about Sadie Stickers subscription kits, go ahead and skip this next part. I will have timestamps down below, so it should make it pretty easy for you guys. But I'm just going to go over some quick details. So it is a monthly subscription. It's $33.33 if you just buy it for like a one-time kit. Like say I open this and you're like, I have to have it, you can go to her website and you can say, I want this month's kit. You have until the 25th of that month to order it that way, and you can get everything that I have here, or you can do what I do, which is a renewal monthly subscription. In that case, she drops the price down to $25. I don't think it includes shipping though, so I'm not positive on that one way or the other, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't include shipping. So what that price gives you is a 6-page exclusive art deluxe sticker kit. In the past, what those have entailed are her normal 4-page kit plus a journaling page and a floral page. And these are all the big pages, like the 5x7 size. So you're getting a lot of florals. Some people need more florals, so she has added those to the shop, so you can go in and purchase additional florals if you do use a lot of florals or just want more of them. I actually think that's a really nice way of doing it. I think those are all of the main details of the kit. After the 25th, if you order, you'll be getting the following month's, or well, that month, you know what I mean. Anyhow, let's get into this one and see how what I'm calling my Snow White kit looks. Because seriously, is the vibes it was giving me. Okay, so definitely seeing some of that palette. Oh, and this is something she's started doing. I don't know if it's gonna become a permanent thing, but I think the last 3 kits have had a foil page as well, which I love. Oh wow, look at it, guys. Definitely fall vibes. I want to take the kids apple picking so bad. I hope we have time for that this fall. Okay, so I'm just going to flip through the kit as I normally do, and we'll kind of talk about the different aspects of this. Your first page, of course, is all of your full boxes, and you do have some 4th boxes here at the bottom that kind of coordinate and are simple color. They have light foiling on them. But we have the floral that was kind of in that preview. You see it here, and she's used it in different configurations around here. I really like that, actually. It goes together really well. I love the apple basket. I think that's very nice. I like the background tones because it's kind of almost a watercolor effect. And then here we have autumn holds a wonder all its own. So true. I love fall. And then we have the little cottage here. You have birds up there in the sky and this cute little garden with the fence around it. So cute. It makes me wish I had gotten some of those fences that people did in the spring as foil elements, because I think that would be really cute to include with this. So cute little outfit. We have boots and a jacket there and the little hat because, it starts to get chilly. I love that she has these foiled apples as well on here. Those are super cute. Okay, so that's page 1. Page 2 is kind of what I call the functional page. So we have like the scallop boxes at the top, and we have this cool wood grain in here, which I think that's really nice. I'm not a huge fan of this brown just on its own, but I think overlaying the florals on it, it could look really nice. But I'm definitely digging the wood vibes there. We have a nice green that she's pulling out, as well as the tan. It just looks really nice. And I love that, you know, we have our half boxes up here, but we only have 3 of them. I don't know about you guys, but 3 is plenty for me because they take up so much real estate on my planner. And since I do functional planning, it sometimes can be challenging to make enough room for everything I want to have on there. And then we have these 3rd boxes through here, and these are 4th boxes. And then we have the midi boxes. These are probably about 1/3 width from top to bottom. And then we have square ones at the bottom, which are also really fun to use because you can always use them this way. You can put them at an angle, have them more diamond shaped. And she does have a lot of different corners here on these. So like this one has a scallop to it, which is really cute. I love that this one has some kind of feminine, is what I'll call it, corners with the rounded edges and everything. And then this one kind of indents here, and you get it in all of the different styles. Maybe the exception of the midi boxes. I think those are all just normal squares, or like normal edges. Then we have, let's see here, our headers, which are really nice. So we have, you know, just the sparkle header, the line header, and then some floral header in here. We have our Monday through Sunday, a checklist. We have our habit trackers and 2 flags. And these boxes are also really fun to work with. They are great on their own, or layering them up with boxes from over here works really well. Then we have some layering icons that have some foil on them, as well as a nice set of 4 bow checklist there. This is our bottom washi. So definitely pulling in that wood grain below, but still that kind of watercolor type look to it with the florals and this really fun kind of, you know, not perfect green I really like. And then we have our days of the week. These are cut out, not as boxes. It's a newer trend, I think, that people are doing where they cut it out. Kind of, it's these swatches, and I really like it. And then we have a half, a third, and 2 fourth boxes. These are smaller headers. I think they're actually thinner than the headers you get here, so they make it really nice if you want to divide something but not take up as much space. So you have those as well. Here's your journaling page. Oh, I love that we get the cottage. So awesome. She has these 2 kind of unique like paper elements she uses here. You usually get some torn paper here. It looks like she might be sizing that torn paper element down. When these first started coming out, I feel like they were more like the width of the paper, and I kind of like the smaller size better. And then we have, of course, these fun boxes over here. The squares are always my favorite because they make me think of stamps, and I love stamps. Their artwork is really cool, and so you can kind of make your own stamp and have it for something in the day, which is fun. Then we have the kind of paint swatchy things here, as well as the washi tape. And then these boxes here have florals already added onto them, so you don't have to think about it, which is really nice as well. And of course we have arches over here. Loving the clip art this month. So, so cute. And then here's our floral page, which is jam-packed. I mean, you have the bigger florals, you have little singular florals, you have a little bit of greenery kind of around the edges. I mean, I kind of am divided. Like, I really like the clusters, but I also like having the single elements. So I wish I had a little bit more of the single elements, but I'm pretty sure I have other sheets that I can pull that in from. So not too worried about that. This is usually plenty of floral for me. I'll have leftovers after this. Not a ton, but sufficient. And this is our foiled page, which is just dividers this month. And I forgot to mention this. This kit is foiled in a rose gold. So the rose gold foil on your foiled page matches perfectly. So you have straight line dividers, which are always useful. Then you have these tiny dots. I don't know how well you can see that. It's actually a dot dash. Maybe it's Morse code. I don't know. Anyhow, and then we have dot dash dash dash. I should look up what that is in Morse code. It's got to be something, right? And then we have just dots, and then we have 3 dots and then a bigger dot. It looks really pretty, and it is cut, like these are tiny, tiny lines. Let me see if I can pull one up a little bit to show you. Like, that's how big it is. Tiny, tiny. So it's for those really nice details. But anyhow, that's everything I have for this month. I'm really loving getting these kits. I did start to use one 2 weeks ago. I never actually finished the spread. I think I'm going to go back and do that though. I'll probably post it on Instagram rather than having a video. It just kind of got lost in the shuffle of going to figure skating nationals with my daughter. I just got back this last Sunday. I'm still kind of recovering. But anyhow, that's all I have for today. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you.